If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rondi Pottinger.
Good morning, Jamaica good life. Very pleasant morning. Just waking up. Well, the rain stop, so we can go road now. Yeah.
Yes, side. Realness way.
Jamaica good life,
I tell you, man.
Jamaica good life.
life. You understand? Keep it the real way, which is right.
Right.
So I'm out here, I want to do the right thing.
Only gets me mad. Running through the moments that we had. Family like Jesus, we know you gon' bring her back. When I see her back, I'll be like, Jesus, man, where you at? Everything collapsed, cancer made a mess. Looking at her dead, saying to myself, this is a test. She gon' resurrect. Satan, come to me, tell me.
Pure rain. I'm back. Too much rain. Right now, I'll cook a pot. So I don't want to get man. So I'm gonna get pure rain. So I'm gonna cook a pot. One pot. Quick thing, quick up. This is how I make a David real quick and fast. Watch this. Watch how quick. Not itching. Quick and fast. Tell you, rain and fall, some okra pot. Ready or now, belly full. Who beg nah get and who no beg no want. But it done already. Wait.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I want to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.